You're searching how to buy shares of ProSiebenSat.1 Media SE, a German media and entertainment group listed on Xetra with the ticker PSM.de. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker PSM.de to find the correct listing. Make sure you select the Xetra entry for ProSiebenSat.1 Media SE. Open the stock page to check basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the example.